Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes with baking soda. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt for the dry mix. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process, leading to perfectly fluffy pancakes every time. Now, let's combine our ingredients correctly. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and salt until well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the egg, milk, and melted butter. Once both mixtures are ready, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir just until combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually help create a tender pancake. It's time to cook our pancakes. Heat your griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. A good test is to drop a tiny bit of water. It should sizzle and evaporate quickly. Lightly grease the surface with a pat of butter or a quick spray. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and fluffy. Your delicious, fluffy pancakes are now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve them warm right off the griddle. Get creative with your toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a generous drizzle of maple syrup are always fantastic choices. A dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of powdered sugar also adds a lovely touch. Enjoy your homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.